And here you are getting the view. Oh. They are not trimming the bushes up to standard. I'm gonna have to make a phone call. Holy mom. This is unbelievable. Whew. Oh my God, amazing. Wow. 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 Can I just say wow? Oh my God, look at all those houses over there. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. Amazing. What do you want, Freddie? I want this! I want this! Oh my God, it's so huge. You could definitely fit like, I don't want to say a football stadium because I feel like that's wrong, but I don't know. Maybe like 6 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Maybe that many. Look at that house over there. Man, how lucky do you have to be to get to build like in front of the breakers of Vanderbilt? Where are you going? Huh? You're taking a jump into the water? Okay.